Man, what a long day at work. Now that I'm home I can finally sit back, relax, watch some TV, and crack open a cold mug. Oh, hello landlords. What are you guys doing down here?
We're going through all your shit to make sure you're following our rules. No TV tonight. We need to go to sleep early, and you always put the volume way too loud.
Oh, okay, sorry about that. Man, they suck. I had my volume at 5 and they act like it was loud. Bunch of fucking assholes. And why the fuck do they think they can go through my shit? Fuck them, I'm watching TV.
We bring in the studio this morning one of the gay rights activists. Why are you gay?
Who says I'm gay?
You are gay.
Do you hear that? I think he's watching TV.
Lesbian? Homosexual? How can I describe you? Now we're looking at the raging debate. You're a gay rights activist. Why should someone be gay? You're having a girlfriend.
Yes.
Holy fuck, it's on the lowest volume possible.
5 hours later.
What in the flipping fate of fuck are they doing up there?
Tell me where the freak's at. The bass and the tweeters make the speakers go to war. The mighty trumpet brings the freaks out to the floor. The bass and the tweeters make the speakers go to war. The mighty trumpet brings.
Shut the fuck up, you fat pieces of shit. I need to sleep. Wait, what? No, they can't do that.
Tell me where the freak's at. The bass and the tweeters make the speakers go to war. The mighty trumpet brings the freaks out to the floor. The bass and the tweeters make the speakers go to war. The mighty trumpet brings the freaks out to the